Hey there, Rodrigo here for Textualize, and in this short video I want to show you how you can create a countdown timer in Textual, something like this. So let's see. I want to show you how you can create a countdown timer that looks like this one. So you set some time, I've set 15 seconds behind the scenes, and then it just counts down, and when it reaches 0 it just stops. So let's see how you can do this. And in order to do it, what you'll need is, you'll need obviously to create an app. And not only that, but you'll also, to display the digits, you'll use a widget called digits, which shows the digits like it's like a digital clock, for example. And we will use a reactive to keep track of the time that's left. Now, my countdown app is going to yield, so its compose method is going to be a single digits, but now to make it, to center it without too much work, let's just use the center and middle containers. So with center, with middle, you return both. Now the time left is going to be a reactive attribute, and let's set it to 15 seconds for now. In your application you will probably want to be able to customize that in some way, maybe the user inputs the time. And now what we'll do is, when the application is mounted, what we do is we create a timer, let's call it tick timer, which ticks the time every 1 second. So we set an interval of 1 second to call self.tick. So the method self.tick gets called every second. And what does this method do? So tick, the only thing it does is, if there's time left, actually, let's do it the other way around. So we reduce the time left, we decrease it by 1, we decrement it. And if there's no time left, if not self.time left, what we'll do is we will take the tick timer and we will stop it. So self.tick timer stop, so that we no longer tick down. And now, because time left is a reactive, what we can do is we can watch for changes. So watch time left. Time left is an integer. Now what we do is we break it up. So the time seconds, you get it out with div mode. So we're computing how many hours, minutes, and seconds are left. Assuming this might be used for a long period of time, if it's just a couple of seconds, then you may want to only take seconds. And now what we'll do is we'll query the digits, and we'll update the digits with a string representation of the hours, the minutes, and the seconds. I think that's it. Let's close the string. So this will look good. And now what else? We need to run the app. I think we're done. So we need to run the app. App.run. And also let's center the digits, because, well, let me show you first. The digits will not be centered because they have, I forgot to use the command run. So they're not centered because the width by default is 100%. So what we will do is we will use CSS to set the width to auto. Okay, so this should be it. Okay, perfect. So this showed you how to build a very basic countdown timer. When the time ends, nothing particularly exciting happens. It will just stop at 0, as you can see here. If you wanted something else to happen, maybe a notification or maybe a label pops up or something, what you would do is, inside your tick function, you would stop the timer and you would probably do whatever else you wanted to do when the countdown ends. So I hope this was an interesting video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. I will also add the Discord link below so you can join the Discord server and ask questions directly to us. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!